how to buy Thunder of Rewards token. So this token came under the symbol of Thor. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available in the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 7000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds mind for that. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and press token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. And after that, type here how much you want to buy and you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply and now go back. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to redact to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Thor token. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.